activity for exercise 7.4. In exercise 7.4, first we need to learn what do you mean by segment. Generally we know segment is the fixed line segment whose length is predetermined or fixed. But here the area of segment. The segment is the region of the circle which is divided by chord. Example, this segment, let me name it as AB. AB has divided, AB is a chord, and chord AB has divided the circle into area. First this shaded area and second is unshaded area. The shaded area is called segment, a small segment and the bigger segment. Small segment is called minor segment and the bigger segment is called major segment. So let's start. Hope you understood what do you mean by segment. So now let's start with the area of segment. If you notice area of segment, how we can get it? Area of sector minus area of triangle. Area of sector minus area of triangle. So from this sector, if you cut this triangle, you will get only this part, and the remaining part you will get area of circle minus area of minor segment. So let's start with the first one. Now this is the circle with radius 7. All circles have radius 7. So first of all we will find the area of circle. Area of circle, the formula is pi r square. Pi is 22 by 7 into r is 7 into 7. 7 will get cancelled. 22 7s are 154 square centimeter. Every time the radius is 7, so every time area will be same, 154 centimeter square, 154 square centimeter. Now why I found first area? So that I can use the value of pi r square here, theta upon 360 into pi r square. Directly pi r square we will write 154. Now area of sector. Here this is the sector. Hope you know the sector. We have done the sector in previous exercise which was 7.3. So area of sector theta upon 360 into pi r square. Here theta is 30 degree. 360 into pi r square, we know it's 154. 0 got cancelled. 3 1s are 3, 12s are 36. Now 154 and 12, so 6 and half will be 77. Now we'll divide. 6 1s are 6, 17. 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12. 83. So it's 77 divided by 6 is 12.83333. So 12.83 centimeter square. This is area of the whole sector. Now area of triangle. Area of such triangle when central angle is given. It means the triangle formed at center. The triangle formed at center. It is an isosceles triangle, right? Because two radius are the side of triangle. The formula is half into r square into sine theta, or half into sine theta into r square. Anything will do. So half into radius square, that is 7 into 7 into sine theta. Theta is 30, sine 30. Now in trigonometry you should know the value of 30. 30 value. You know sine 30 is half. Sine 30 is half. Value of trigonometry, sine 30 is half. So now 7 7s are 49. 49 divided by 4. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. Point. 1 left. 4 2s are 8 and 4 5s are. So 1.25 centimeter square. That is area of triangle. Now area of sector minus area of triangle. When you subtract it, you will get area of segment. So area of segment equal to area of sector, which is 12.83 minus 12.25. 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5 is 8. 7 minus 2 is 5. And 12 minus 12 is 0. 0.58 square centimeter. and this is the area of this segment. Now area of whole circle is 154 and area of segment is 0.58. So can we find the area of major segment, that unshaded part? Answer yes. Area of circle, which is 154, minus area of minor segment, which is 0.58. 54 minus 0.58. So 1 minus 0.458 is 0.42. So 153.42 square centimeter. That is the area of major segment. The second one, area of sector. Right, first area of circle, that pi r square we need. Pi r square is 154. Let's start with area of sector theta. Theta is 60 this time. 60 upon 360 into 154. 0 0 get cancelled. 6 ones are 6, 6 are 36. Now directly we'll divide by 6. 6 or 3 divided by 3. 6 half. So 77. 77 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6. 17 3 5s are 15. Right? 2 left. 20. So 6666 will come. So 67 centimeter square, because 6666 will come. So 25.67 centimeter square is the area of this sector. Now area of triangle. Area of triangle is half into r square, which is 7 into 7, and sine theta. Theta is 60 degree. Half will remain half. 7 into 7 49. Sine 60 degree. Value of sine 60 is root 3 upon 2. Root 3 upon 2. So 49 divided by 4. Already we have done divided by 4. 49 divided by 4 is 12.25 into root 3. The value of root 3 is 1.732. And then after multiplying this, 21.217 square centimeter. This is the product of these two numbers. Now area of segment. What is area of segment? Area of sector minus area of triangle. So area of sector is 25.67 minus area of triangle is 21.217. We will write only till 2 digit. So 7 will come, right now 1 will be added to the previous number, it will become 2. So 21.22. 21.22. So 20, now first 7 minus 2, 5. 6 minus 4, 6 minus 2, 4. 5 minus 1, 4. So 4.45 square centimeter, because 0, 2 minus 2 is 0. Now area of segment also we got. Area of major segment, area of circle minus area of minor segment. Area of circle is 154 minus area of minor segment is 4.45. So 154 minus 4.45. So we will subtract here. 154 minus 4.45, 0 0. 3 9 and 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 4 also 5. And 13 minus 9. 13 minus 4. 13 minus 4 is 9. 4 and 1. So 149.55. 149.55 square centimeter. That is area of major segment. The third one, you can do your own. This is 90 degree and the value of sine 90 is 1. Value of sine 90 is 1. So hope you can do your own, the third part. Now in your book you can use, to find out the area of segment, you can use area of sector minus area of triangle. But in your book some other formula is given. Don't worry, that formula is also same. We know, I'll write that formula here. Area of segment equal to area of circle, right? Area of circle No, area of segment is area of sector minus area of triangle. What is area of sector? Theta upon 360 into pi r square minus area of triangle. Area of triangle is half into r square into sine theta. Now, if you notice, there is something common called r square r square. So r square will be common, and under bracket pi theta, pi into theta, pi theta upon 360 minus the sign of minus sine theta, ones are sine theta upon 2. So sine theta upon 2. Directly you can use this formula, but I will advise you to go with area of sector, then area of triangle, and then subtract it. That will be the better. But if you can do it directly, it's your wish. If you are doing it directly, you might create some confusion. So I will advise you to go separately. Exercise 7.4, sum number 1. A is a center of a circle. Angle ABC is 45 degree. Here the base angle is given 45 degree. Actually they should give the central angle. If it is not given, now first of all we have to find central angle. So first challenge is to find out this central angle. AC is 7 root 2. AC is 7 root 2. This radius, right? 7 root 2 centimeter. That is radius. Find the area of segment BXC. Segment BXC. Segment, right? BXC. Now BXC is the arc. It means the name of the segment is written with the name of arc. But when we call segment BXC, that doesn't mean arc BXC. Segment BXC means area occupied or area covered under arc BXC. That is segment BXC. So let's start with now segment BXC. Before that we have to first find the first point. First target is to find A. So for that we know AB and AC are the radius. So first we'll write in triangle ABC. AB equal to AC. Yes or no? Equal to 7 root 2. Why? Radii of same circle. Radii of same circle. Now if radius are equal, their opposite angles are equal because isosceles triangle. Therefore two angles, angle ABC equal to angle ACB. Reason, you can write isosceles triangle theorem. Or also you can write angle opposite to equal sides are equal, and therefore angle ABC equal to angle ACB equal to 45 degree. So this angle also we got 45 degree, but we don't want these two angles, we want only third angle, and therefore angle BAC will be 180 minus 45 minus 45. Reason, remaining angle of triangle. Remaining angle of triangle. You know the sum of all angle of triangle is 180 degrees. So angle BAC equal to 180 minus 90, because minus 45 minus 45 is minus 90, equal to 90 degree. So BAC is 90 degree. Now central angle we got. Now it's so simple, area of sector minus area of triangle. So let's start with area of sector. Sector is called A dash, right? Area of center A dash BXC equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. That is formula. Now area A, theta is 90 degree upon 360 degree into pi, value is 314 upon 100 into r is 7 root 2 the whole square. A 0 0 got cancelled, 9 ones are 9 fours are, so 1 upon 4 into 314 upon 100 into 7 square 49 into root 2 square is 2. Root 2 square is 2. Now 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 ones are 2 157s are. So area of A dash BXC equal to 157 into 49 upon 100. So area of A dash BXC equal to, now product of 157 into 49, that we need to do now. 157 into 49, 7693 is the product of these two numbers upon 100. Therefore area of sector BXC equal to 76.93 square centimeter. This is area of sector. Now area of triangle. Area of triangle ABC equal to half into r square into sine theta equal to half into 7 root 2 square into sine 90 degree equal to half into 7 square 49 root 2 square 2 into sine 90 is 1. 2 got cancelled. 49 ones are 49 square centimeter. That is area of triangle ABC. Now area of segment BXC equal to area of sector ABXC minus area of triangle ABC equal to area of sector is 76.93 minus area of triangle is 49. 0.93 will remain 0.93. 16 minus 9 is 7 and 6 minus 4 is 22. So 7.93 centimeter square. So answer, area of segment BXC equal to 27.93 centimeter square. In this type of sums, calculation is more important because the formulas are easy, the concept is easy, the main thing is calculation. Now there is more chance of making calculation mistakes. So try to do it one or twice and check. Sum number 2, which is of 3 marks. In adjoining figure, O is a center of a circle. O is a center of a circle. Measure arc PQR equal to 60 degree. PQR equal to 60 degree. If measure of PQR is 60 degrees, so central angle is 60 degree. That is theta. OP is 10. OP is 10. That is radius is 10 centimeter. Find the area of shaded region. Area of segment we need to find. Now solution. Directly we can find area of segment because central angle is given, radius is given. So solution, for area of segment we need to find first area of sector. So area of sector, theta upon 360 into pi r square. Theta 60 upon 360 into pi is given 314 upon 100. Radius is 10 square. 6. So 1 upon 6 into 314 upon 100 into 100. 100 got cancelled. Now 6 5s are 30. 1 left 14. 6 2s are 12. 2 left 20. 6 3s are 18. Again 2 left 20. So 3 will come. So 52.33 square centimeter is the area of sector. The name of the sector, therefore area of sector. What is the name of sector? O dash PQR equal to 52.33 square centimeter. Now area of triangle. Area of triangle POR equal to half into r square into sine theta, half into 10 square into sine 60 degree, half into 100 into sine 60 is root 3 upon 2. So 100 into root 3 is 1.732 upon 4 2 2s are 4, 1.732. 4 1s are 4, 25s are 100. So 25 into 1.732. 25 2s are 50. So 5. 25 3s are 75 and 5 80. 8. 25 7s are 175. 175 and 8. 183. So 18. 25 ones are 25 and 18 is 43, and after 3 decimal points, so 43.300, that is 43.3 square centimeter. Here we have that till 2 digits, so here also we will take till 2 digit. Area of triangle we got. Now area of segment PQR equal to area of sector O dash PQR minus area of triangle POR equal to area of sector is 52.33 minus area of triangle is 43.30. 3 minus 0, 3, 3 minus 3, 0. 52 minus 43 is 9, 9.83 square centimeter. So answer, area of shaded region, the is 9.03 square centimeter, and this is the answer of sum number 2. Now sum number 1 and 2 we did with lengthy method. This sum, that is sum number 3, we will do with that short method or mix formula. Now solution. First before that, given central angle theta is PAR, which is 30 degree. Radius AP is 7.5. Centimeter is not given, so we'll assume to be units. We need to find area of segment. Now area of segment formula. Area of segment, the direct formula is r square under bracket pi theta upon 360 minus sine theta upon 2. This is the formula. Now area we will assume to be A. Radius is given 7.5 square. Pi value is given 3.14. Theta is given 30 upon 360 minus sine theta is sine 30 degree upon 2. 0 0 will get cancelled. 3 1s are 3 12s are. So area equal to 7.5 square is 56.25. 314 ones are 314. 3.14 upon 12 minus sine 30 is half. Sine 30 is half. Half upon 2. Now half upon 2, this 2 will go in denominator, so it will become 4. Therefore area equal to 56.25. 3.14 upon 12 minus 1 upon 4, because this 2 will go in denominator. Now LCM, here we have 12 and here we have 4, so into 3 we can do. So area 56.25 into 3.14 minus 3 upon 12. Therefore area 56.25 into 3.14 minus 3, 0.14 upon 12. Therefore area equal to now 56.25 into 0.14, we will get 7.875. The product of these two divided by 12. While calculating, be very confident, okay, and stay focused. If you make mistake in calculation, then you will miss marks. This sum is all about calculation. Upon 12, and after dividing, because it is 7 point and here we have 12, so definitely 0 point, it is coming 65625 square centimeter. No, because here the units are not given, so directly we'll write square units. Therefore area of segment, even the name of segment is given, PQR is 0.65625 square units. And this is the end of sum number 3. Sum number 4. O is the center of a circle, PQ is a chord. O is a center, PQ is a chord. Angle POQ is 90 degree, which is theta. So angle POQ is 90 degree. Area of shaded region is 114. This time the area of segment, right? Area of segment is already given. Area of shaded region is the segment, which is 114 square centimeter. Find the radius of the circle, and we have to find radius of the circle. Solution. Again we will do short formula, mixed formula. Solution for circle with center O. Circle with center O. Area of segment. Area of segment equal to r square under bracket pi theta upon 360 minus sin theta upon 2. Now area of segment. Area of segment name is O dash PRQ equal to r square. Pi value is 3.14 upon 360 into theta. Theta is 90 degree minus sin theta. Sin theta is 90 upon 2. Now this area is already given. Area is 114 equal to r square. 90 ones are 94s are 360. So 3.14 by 4 minus sin 90 is 1 by 2. Sin 90 is 1 by 2. Now here in denominator we have 2, so LCM 2. So 114 equal to r square. 3.14 minus 2 ones are 2, the whole upon 4, because now denomination is 4. 114 r square. 3.14 minus 2 is 1.14 upon 4. Right, this will come on this side. Therefore r square equal to 114 into 4 upon 1.14. R square equal to 114 into 4 upon 114. After decimal we have 2 points, so 100 will go up, 114 will get cancelled. So we got r square equal to 400. That means r equal to square root of 400. Therefore r equal to 20. Units are given, yes, centimeter. Unit is given centimeter square, so centimeter radius. Therefore radius of a circle is 20 centimeter. Here we have to write taking positive square root on both sides. See, I am writing short form. That doesn't mean you have to write short form. In exam compulsory you have to write full form. Positive square root, the full form you have to write. You cannot use such symbol. For explanation or for practice it is okay. But in exam, no. They will cut your marks for this shortcut. Okay, and this is the answer. And this is the end of sum number 4. Sum number 5. Mark 4. A chord of PQ of a circle with radius 15 centimeter, subtend and central angle 60 degree. 60 degree is the central angle. Find the area of minor as well as major segment. We know how to find minor segment. We will subtract this area of minor segment from the area of circle, and we will get area of major segment. Same type of thing we have done in activity at the beginning of this exercise. So let's start with solution. Now here it is not mentioned that it is theta, so we will write first the angle is theta. So for that we will write let chord PQ subtend angle POQ equal to 60 degree at center. Therefore theta equal to 60 degree. Now area of minor segment. Formula you know, r square into pi theta upon 360 minus sin theta upon 2. Area of minor segment is O dash PSQ equal to r square is 15 square, pi value 3.14 into theta is 60 upon 360 minus sin theta, sin 60 degree upon 2. So area now we will denote just as A. 15 square is 225, 60 ones are 66 are, so 3.14 by 6 minus sin 60 is root 3 by 2 upon 2. Therefore area equal to 225. Now here 6 both are even numbers, so we will cancel out 3 and 1.57. So 1.57 upon 3 minus root 3 value is 1.73. It is given here 1.73 upon 2 is upon 4. Now LCM is 12. Therefore area 225 1.57 upon 3 into minus 1.73 upon 4 into 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12. So multiply numerator and denominator both with 4 and here both with 3. So area equal to 225, 4 7s are 28, 2 5 4s are 20 and 2 22, again 2 4 1s are 4 and 2 6, 6.28 minus 3 3s are 9, 7 3s are 21, 2 3 1s are 3 and 2 5, 5.19 the whole by 12. So area equal to 225, 18 minus 9 is 9, 1 minus 1 is 0 and 6 minus 5 is 1. So 1.09 divided by 12. So area equal to 225 If you divide 1.09 by 12, you will get 0.0908. So area, now 225 into this number is 20.43 centimeter square. Now area of segment, equal to, we got area of minor segment we got equal to, or I'll write here equal to 20.43 centimeter square. Now we need to find area of circle, because area of circle minus area of minor segment is equal to area of major segment. Now area of circle, pi r square, pi is 314 upon 100, and radius is 15 into 15, which is 225. So 314 into 225 upon 100, and which is equal to 706.5 after putting all the decimal point centimeter square. That is area of circle. Now area of major segment equal to area of circle minus area of minor segment. Area of circle, we have 706.5, minor segment we have 20.43. so after subtracting, we will get here 5 we have, so 50 we can write, here also 50 we can write. So 706.50 minus 20.43, 50 minus 43 is 07, and 706 minus 0 is 6, and 70 minus 2 is 68. So 686.07 centimeter square. That is the area of major segment. And finally area of minor segment and area of major segment as answer you have to write at the last. So this is the end of fifth sum and exercise 7.4. Now we have completed all the exercise of 7th chapter. In next video we will start with problem set 7.